Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start your MacBook Air M4 in macOS recovery. First you need to shut it down if it's currently on, so I'm just gonna click on the Apple logo, then click on shut down, then click on shut down here. And wait like a few seconds, maybe 15, to make sure it's fully off. Then we will start by pressing and holding on the power button until the system volume and the options button appear on the screen. So that's gonna be quite a long press. Let's do that. Now you can release the power button and you need to click on options. Then click on continue and wait a moment. And now you're in the system recovery. And what you can do here is either restore from Time Machine. You can reinstall the macOS. You can browse for Apple support, or you can go to the disk utility to erase or repair your disk. So if you go into that, be careful, only like reset the drive if you are sure about it. Then if you close it, you're back to the main screen. And basically that's gonna be all of it. So most probably you'll use the reinstall macOS Sequoia or any other macOS version that you have. And if you want to exit it, click on this Apple logo. You can select other startup disk, or you can restart, and the restart will reboot into the actual system, not into recovery. So that's how you exit it. Also, make sure if it prompts you to connect to the internet, then you will need to do it. So here is the Wi-Fi button. Just need to be connected to the internet in some cases, and that's basically it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.